It's a grassroots type of fly-in.
Having a blast. It's awesome up here.
Everybody knows everybody. It's just like one great big family.
Sentimental Journey isn't like a lot of other fly-ins. It's part summer camp, part family reunion, and a whole lot of easygoing, grass landing, hanging with your friends fun.
Almost everybody's a returnee because if they ever come, they return.
I came here last year. I had some friends here and I didn't even know it was happening, and came in on Friday.
The event provides easy access to the parallel runways at Lock Haven, Pennsylvania's William T. Piper Memorial Airport, or KLHV. One of them's grass. The north-central part of the Keystone State is rippled with scenic curving ridges where the Appalachian Mountains meet the Allegheny Plateau.
They come here, they want to fly in our beautiful mountains and whatnot.
I mean, you can just go up and fly through the valleys if the clouds are, even if they're low, go through the valleys.
And they will fly around and sit back and watch other people fly. They camp under the wings. It's kind of morphed from a little more formal to very informal.
And while this is the birthplace of the Piper Cub and has long been a gathering place for the type, it's not an exclusive joint.
Whether in a pink Cub, a yellow Cub, or even a blue RV like I flew in, everyone's welcome here at Sentimental Journey.
It's not just Cubs that come here now, it's all types of airplanes.
This is an M-Rod, technically a Super M-Rod, but it's built in 1990 down in St. Augustine, Florida, and it's a fun airplane.
Paul Slocco says this airplane isn't as fast as it looks, but it's aerobatic, efficient, and a great way to come to a fun event.
You get to see all these old airplanes. I like the vintage, the old stuff. I mean, the J2 here with the old, 37 horsepower engine, and that's pretty neat. I guess just the atmosphere, it's everything. You have good food here. It's a fun place to come.
In Lock Haven, Pennsylvania, Sierra Harrop, AOPA pilot.